Air conditioner compressor mounts are readjusted and vibration dampers are installed under the compressor. Fiberglass insulation is tightly wrapped around the compressor multiple times, forms the first layer of noise reduction. Then, a rubberized sound blanket is installed over this primary layer. Fiberglass insulation is wrapped around the sound blanket multiple times again, and a heavy-duty weatherized sound-absorbing hood is installed, thus the air conditioning compressor noise and vibration are virtually eliminated. The cork tape is used to create sound and vibration barrier at the point of contacts between air conditioner cabinet and fan motor assembly. Additional sound and vibration dampers are installed under the air conditioner pad and AC unit base.